It was.
Oh, someone's coming.
Why are you laughing so hard?
It's funny. We just saw an old geezer fart.
Take a video.
I am. Okay, I'm gonna go in the washroom and find the geezer who's coming with me. I bet you she's taking a big dump.
I can't.
Come on, Christina. I am.
Hey, Jordana, are you gonna post this?
Maybe.
Where you going? Remember the horses. She's in there. Take a video. I found a paper clip.
She's in there. I got.
Did you see? Are you taking a video? I found a paper clip.
Okay, you go in there with me.
Oh, the geezer is done. Ow, my foot.
Oh my god, that is so funny. Oh, sorry. She just flushed the toilet. It was really funny.
Did you take a video?
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so uploading this to YouTube.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Okay, wait.
Leave a comment
Let's
on.
find the geezer.
Are you still recording?
Come on.
Adrian, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Hexbug Wiley, or you can find me at Minecraft Bass.
Come. Follow owls in the night sky. Come on, Christina.
Zoom in on her.
Oh, I forgot my sweater.
Go in there. Here, I'll come.
You.
I'll film it. You can trust me.
You can trust me. I'm only gonna say my.
I'm finding geezer. Really need geezer.
I'll take a video. I'm really good with vlogs.
Oh, she in there.
Did you find her?
Female.
Oh,
She's coming. What? Did you hear her?
Me and Leonard were like,
because he ran
the other way.
Leonard.
And I bumped into him. I was like,
bam. We should make a series of us doing this.
I know.
Whoa, I think I just saw someone.
a vlog.
Okay, this is vlog number 1.